Evening to each and everyone. Srimati Shobana, Executive Vice Person, Apollo Hospital Groups. Sri Y. Subramaniam, CEO, Apollo Hospitals. Sri Dr. Vijay Anand Reddy, Senior Oncologist. Sri Tejasvi Rao, COO. And my respects to Sri Pratap Reddy Garu, Chairman, Apollo Hospitals. And when Dr. Vijay Anand Reddy told that Srimati Shobana Kamini Madam is the leader, she is the captain. So a leader always produces not followers but leaders. So she has produced, Apollo Hospital has produced so many leaders who lead the situation, particularly the COVID situation and in the vaccination program. I appreciate Apollo Hospitals for taking an active part in the vaccination program, not only in Telangana, all over the country, wherever the Apollo hospitals are there, that I appreciate. It's a thanksgiving from an administrator so that he took care of the people in the preventive aspect of corona. And when people were hesitant to take the vaccination, I have seen from Chennai, some of my relatives, they were telling, no, I will go and take the vaccination at Apollo because it will be safe there. So that confidence you created among the people, and I am really very happy to be here. And I always feel that I am one among you in the family when I come to Apollo Hospitals, because you always intend to give the best to the people. Whatever may be the hurdles you face, you always intend to give the best to the people and with all the best heads you have. So I really appreciate it. I am immensely delighted to be a part of this event. Being a medical doctor, to be among doctors, I feel at home. It is like homecoming for me. I congratulate the management, doctors, students and staff of the Apollo Health City on getting this new state-of-art equipment. And I am very proud when she saw the students, she introduced me that my students are the best in the state and they are getting so much of good marks. They are placed high in their profession. A motherly touch she had among the students. So I am really very happy about that. It is not only a moment of pride for the Apollo group, but also the moment of pride for the entire Telangana in having the one and the only true beam STX being launched today. So I thank not only the Apollo Hospital, it is not serving only the patients of Apollo Hospital, as it is the unique equipment which is the state of art, which is available, introduced only inaugurated only in Apollo. You are going to serve the entire state as head of the state. I really thank you for that. I appreciate the efforts of Madam Sangeeta Reddy Garu and her team and Madam Shobana Garu in ensuring the new facility, and Honorable Pratap Reddy Garu for ensuring new facility for the benefit of Telangana people and people for many other states. I am sure that this True Beam radiotherapy system will help offer the best advanced healthcare system to the people. The real revolution in radiation therapy has come with intensity modulation and of radiation therapy, wherein we can deliver differential dose within the target volume ranging from 0 to 100% dose. Next, an innovation happened with imaging the patient on treatment couch to improve the accuracy of radiation delivery, and this is called the image-guided radiation therapy, where the target is visualized every day prior to treatment, creating the highest possible conformity. Today, with the latest True Beam machine, we have the capacity to treat with all the very best of technology put together, including 6D robotic couch and CT image guidance for best high accuracy in treatment. The hyperarc therapy, which helps to deliver the highly precise intensity modulated radiotherapy, stereostatic radiosurgery in the shortest possible time, where the patient gets to go home in 1 to 3 days with the least possible side effects. I want to highlight this because the patient gets to home can go home in 1 to 3 days with the least possible side effects. All this will go a long way in helping the patients to get the best possible treatment with minimum side effects. I am concerned that cancer is being an increasing threat. It is alarming to note that last year 2020 saw around 13.25 lakhs new cases of cancer in India with over 8.5 lakh deaths due to cancer. We must be cautious and concerned that it is estimated that by 2025 India will have 12% rise in cancer cases. That's why when you introduce this high beam technology, I am very thankful to you, and I touched the machine and I wanted to pray God that each and every patient who comes to the machine should go well with full treatment, regaining its healthy life. So that was my prayers when I saw the machine. And it is also concerning to note that from 54 cancer cases per lakh population in 1990, the incidence of cancer in Telangana has risen to over 75 per lakh in less than 3 decades. To save lives, there is a need to bring the best available medical technology to India for the benefit of patients. The silver lining is that it is heartening to see Apollo hospitals introducing the latest developments in medical science to save lives. I call upon for increased use of digital technology and artificial intelligence in medicine. I was told that the True Beam with Velocity will help people of the state to access advanced cancer care without the need to go abroad or even to other states. Apollo, because they are introducing the modern technology and the latest technology, previously we see patients, even the VIPs, and they say when some disease is diagnosed, they say, no, we are going abroad. But now we can say the patients telling that we are going to Apollo. So that is the facilities, the hope you have given to the patients. And I appreciate Apollo Hospitals for the bold step and taking the initiative to bring this modern cancer treatment technology to Hyderabad. Let us all resolve to make life better for cancer patients physically, emotionally, psychologically, and economically. I wish you all great success, and I want to ensure that as I thank Apollo Hospitals for taking part in the active vaccination program, I thank all the frontline warriors, the doctors, the staff nurse, and the paramedicals for rendering your great service during the period of COVID. And we are very happy and we are confident because the expert heads and the expert service of the doctors, we are safe here. But my appeal is, doctors also should be safe. You also should take care of your health. As a doctor, I don't know whether we are running for our profession and we are running for our programs, and I feel how we are taking care of ourselves. So my appeal is, because we have put so many years to study the medicine and to practice and to increase our expertise and everything. So we have to take care of, that is my appeal. Whatever may be the busy schedule, please take care of your health also. And the precise treatment, I always in a lighter sense tell one story. Once two friends were traveling and suddenly the car broke down. Then they called a mechanic. The mechanic came and he removed all the parts and he was unable to find where is the fault, and he called another person. He was also unable to. And he called another person. Then he assembled everything and he was unable to solve the problem. Then another person came. Then other person came, just looked into the car parts, the mechanism and the machines, and he just took a hammer and tapped one place. Then the car started. Then he asked the charge for this treatment, particularly this repair is so much. Then the owner of the car asked, the other people came and they dislodged everything. They took 2 hours and 3 hours. They asked only so much, but you came and you just tapped, and now we are asking so much. For one small tap, you are asking so much. Then the mechanic told, no, it's not for the small tap, for knowing where to tap to rectify the machine. So that is the art which I am having. So this is what we are having. We know how to target the patient and what is the problem. So not just in a facade way seeing a patient, we know the target. So the high-tech beam, the high-tech machines indicates and help us to just target the disease and to rectify it and make the patient to get well soon. So whatever may be the targeted approach in this medicine, particularly digitally targeted mechanism helps us. So this high beam I wish is serves the patient, and I wish that the number of cancer patients should come down, their lifestyle should be changed, and whatever may be, we will concentrate in the preventive health and early diagnosis and treatment with such high beam digital technology will make the patient safe and healthy. Thank you so much. Again, I appreciate Apollo Hospitals for taking forward the latest technology to serve the people of Telangana and to serve the people of the country. Thank you so much.